everybody, welcome back to Ask Nutrition is Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make my millet potato patties. Very simple recipe. 4 cups of cooked millet, 3 big potatoes, cup of peas and cup of spinach, some turmeric, cayenne and some garam masala or some chaat masala. Basically, I'm just going to get these ingredients, mash them together and start making my patties. So I'll see you in a minute. So in order to make sure that the mixture is very homogenized, I am just going to grate the potatoes with this grater. So the best way to mix this mixture together is adding your spices to the grated potato. Now you can also add some chopped green chilies if you want. I'm adding generous amount of chaat masala. Chaat masala is similar to garam masala but just has some tangy dry mango powder in it. So that's what, and black salt in it. But if you don't have it, that's fine. So this is what I mean, potatoes binding the millet. I'm able to make a ball, which means I have added just enough millet in there. Because like I said, if you put too much millet, then the ball is going to fall apart. So for 4 cups of potato, I ended up adding 2 cups of cooked millet. Now another ingredient that I meant to add but forgot to add are some pumpkin seeds. So I'm just going to add 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds in there. The pumpkin seeds are going to release some of the fat once we bake these patties, and just going to add a little bit of crunch. You can also add pumpkin seed powder in it. Okay, so these patties are done. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown and they have puffed just a little bit and really good texture, and they are smelling amazingly well. And these are no ordinary patties, guys. They are high in protein, fiber because of the millet, sustained starch, peas, spinach is going to add a little bit of iron and vitamin K. The pumpkin seeds are going to add some essential fatty acids, turmeric, anti-inflammatory, all that good stuff. So now it's time to try some and see how it tastes. So I'm going to serve this millet potato patties with my tangy sweet mango salsa. Make sure you watch that video. That salsa literally takes 2 minutes, and I just tried one and it is just amazing. So I just tried these patties with little bit of salsa and it's just amazingly, the flavors are just bursting in my mouth. The patties have little bit of crunch from the millet, but the spinach, the peas add little bit of sweetness to it along with potatoes, and then the spiciness, tanginess of the salsa. All in all, it is just going really well together. As I said, you can, the salsa is all purpose, but so are these patties. You can have it for breakfast, who cares? So I hope you will try this recipe. Again, it's absolutely delicious. So these high protein, slow carb patties are gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and go really well in a wrap, in a sandwich, with a tortilla, on top of a salad or a grain bowl, along with some hot sauce, chutney, and definitely try it with my tangy mango salsa. Once I cook the potatoes and millet, which literally takes 10-15 minutes and to cook, the patties doesn't take that long. So all in all, this recipe can be done within 30 to 40 minutes. I hope you will like it, you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.